Hey everybody, this is Dead Linux. We're online, live on Twitch, and trying to do stuff with Stranded Deep. We'll see how far we get with this at all. Also just realized something really stupid, is that last time we were playing this, I was actually running it in Proton, so I wasn't actually running it native. So the performance glitches we probably saw were probably due to that, because you don't have to do that with this game. So tonight we have to start a new game over. Sorry, for whatever reason I've got something in my throat, so I've been coughing a little bit. We will be playing the game on Linux like it's intended to be. And of course the title, if anybody if anybody's ever heard that Lyle Lovett song, that's kind of what that references to. But that's kind of what the deal is tonight. So, hope you enjoy. Also enjoying, well, I've been listening to it a little longer while I didn't realize this is the one that was instrumental. But this is another band on Pretzel that I kind of just fell into, called Modern Echo. Not sure what I think of them yet, but I kind of like them. So that's who you're listening to in the background right now, and you can see that in the dibbly-doo, but well, that's not the dibbly-doo. That's what Wheezy Waiter says. I'm cheating and stealing things from them. But anyway, this is also supposedly Survival Thursday, so helping you get through your week. Thursdays are always really low energy for me, so I hope that helps by giving a little energy back. Also, finally tried to start working out a little bit today, so I actually jumped on the Sex Dungeon machine over here and did some various movements of some nature, of some description. So that might be why I'm feeling a little bit more amped up. I also went out for a walk outside today, but today is actually fairly cold. You can't really tell, but look at the temperature here. I don't know if you can see this, but it's negative 12 degrees outside right now, and it's negative 34 degrees Celsius. That's always fun. I don't know if I can get this any closer. Let me see if I can. It's gonna knock over my Death Stranding book. You can kind of see it. A little bit. You can kind of tell. But it was not that cold when I was walking outside. But I've gotten to the point where it's not as bad as it used to be. I've gotten a greater tolerance for cold due to like all the Wim Hof method kind of cold exposure stuff I've been playing around with, and hence the shirt. So that's where we're going from tonight. So let's get into it here. I'll wait till the song kind of kills, and then we will get started with playing Stranded Deep, and then start all the way over and see where we get to. So that's pretty cool. I like them. I like that a lot. Also, we're going to see if that I've cleaned up the sort of performance issue. I was kind of blaming Pretzel for performance problems, which I shouldn't have, because they weren't really responsible for them. And so we're going to try running the stream the way I normally would, and we'll see if everything works. And that's kind of how we'll go. Right? Right. Let's hit play. Let me kill Barrier here so I don't end up stealing the mouse focus away. And then tonight will be a little bit longer because there is somebody I want to raid at the end of the stream that I haven't been able to in a long time, and then hang out. So hang out for that part because I want to see them. I don't care if you want to see them. We're going. Is the idea. Is that too loud? I think we're okay. Turn it down a touch. Press return! I have an enter key instead. I don't have a return key. I don't know if I've ever had a keyboard that said return on it. I just have the icon. So we will see how the intro sequence plays through. This is probably going to be... Well, we'll see. It should play better, I should think, than it did before. So I'm going to leave the options menus alone this time. We'll just see. Continue my one-player game? Do I want to continue my one-player game? Yeah. We don't have to see the intro. I didn't realize that the game carried over. Okay, let's do that. Let's see how this works. So never mind. No starting a new game. This is the game we had, where I built a shelter. But I really, if I remember correctly, I really need to have a lot more materials. My eyes are really tired for some reason too, so if you see me blinking a lot, that's why. This is where I work too, so I've been staring at the same screen all day. I just switched it over from my work lappy-toppy and switched over to the gaming machine. And then I realized I took tomorrow off because we'll be traveling tomorrow. So I'll be gone tomorrow through Monday. Didn't realize I had a long weekend I put ahead of time, so we are going to pretend that I don't have any work tomorrow that I have to catch up on. I do have a meeting in the morning, but that's about it. Day 3. We're not doing bad. And it's nighttime. So let's see if this is... Okay, the cloth there, I do already know about. Where's our shelter? There it is. Let's sleep. You can't sleep again so soon. Oh, it's morning, so the sun is... Or the sun. That's the moon. Good job. Let's do... Let's see. We do have a... Let's see, we have a... still already. So, I don't know... Where did I put the... Where did I put everything? There's planks of scrap. I thought I have a couple of boxes here somewhere. Didn't I build like a shelter here? Did I move it? Where did I put shit? Nothing makes sense. Could you... Let me just... I have to remember everything now. There we go. Give me something to kick things with. There we go. Is this... This isn't a different one-player game. Is it? Where's the shelter I built? I can't see shit. You probably can't either. That's okay. We'll make do, but I want to know... Oh, the sun's coming up. Look how pretty that is. One thing I will say for Stranded Deep. Stranded Deep is an amazingly good-looking game. Always has been since I started playing it. Don't I? There we go. I was gonna say, can't I jump? Is not the jumping? What's this? Yeah, there's a coconut half. That's another coconut half. But where's the shelter that I built? This doesn't look like the same game. This is a different game. I don't have the still or anything. I've got rocks. There's the... Did it not save the last time we did this? That's weird. It should have. Hopefully everything's looking okay on that end. The PP plant. I kind of want to start over then, because if I don't have the shelter, I don't have any of the progress. Might as well. So what the hell? Day 3 though. I thought we were on to day 5 already. Yeah, let's do that. Fuck this. Let's quit. Yes, because it's not going to matter because day 3 isn't that far on. So let's do this. Let's do new game. World existing? No, random. Thank you. Yeah. Everything else, start. Yep. So we're playing on normal mode. Yeah, I know it'll erase the existing save file. I'm wondering what happened with my other save file. I have questions, game. You will tell them to me. Oh. Or you won't, you'll keep your fucking secrets. Excuse me, I'm swearing so much. Don't mean to be. Okay, and the only reason I'm keeping my phone up here, not because I'm trying to get myself distracted, but because... Okay, let's see if this doesn't tear as much, because now we're running natively on Linux. This might be better. Ooh. No, it's still tearing. I think this scene it's just the way it is. Is there a person up there? Yeah, there is a person up there. We're just going down. There it goes. Bye-bye, drink, Mr. Drink tray. Drink, thing. Drink carrier? Courier? What do you call it? Okay, let's get out of here before I start to lose my mind. I can't take my laptop with me. Get to the life raft. No, I'm gonna swim for the bottom. Can I take this? No. Ah, there we go. Yeah, I guess the beginning scene is it's just tears all over the place. If I upgrade my machine, when I upgrade my machine, it's a when, not if now. We'll see if that plays better than it does now. Poor old machine is a 4-core without the hyper-threading, and it does this well. But it's also being carried by a 1080, so it makes a difference. Where is the paddle? Thank you. Okay, we want to go... Oh, Mr. Shark? Hello, Mr. Shark. Can you just fuck off for a bit? I'm gonna go in this little inlet, I think. And then I will grab the... Come on, buddy. You can get in there. Then I'm gonna grab the raft. Okay, so can we put you back? Where's the paddle? There we go. Okay, come here. Come here. I'm not done with you yet. Come here. Come here. Yep, yep, come here. There we go. Now I just have to drag it up far enough so it doesn't get carried away if there's high tide or something strange. And I think we should be good. Okay, so then... Is it C for the crafting menu? It is. Okay, so the first thing we need to worry about is a shelter to sleep in, with which to sleep, with which to have sleep to do sticks. Well, we need to eat too, so that's another thing too. So we just need to pick up a rock, and then with the rock, we can make. Actually, we can just do a quick. What's the quick thing? Is it this? No, that's dropping the rock. There is don't. Oh, there we go. If I hold down C, that's what I wanted, and then we can select that with. There we go. Okay, so now we can cut things up. And how are we doing on stuff? We're fine. Oh, good. The stone tool has been stored in my backpack. Well, I should hope so. That's the whole idea. So let's grab a bunch of rocks. And then we'll drop them by... Get away from me. I'm not ready to eat you yet. Soon, though, you will become delicious crab rangoon. No, you won't. You won't become rangoon. Mother, I desire the crab rangoon. Rangoon? Rangoon. What am I trying to say? He doesn't know. He screams because he does not know. So let's do this. And we do... That's a bunch of rocks. That's good. That's our storage for this time. And we got a stick. I just don't like having something in my hand like that. I don't know why, but it just makes me feel like I'm going to drop it. Or hit somebody with it. Stick. Stick! Stick very good! Yeah, we're not going to pick up a whole bunch of rocks in the inventory. Not yet. I'm not going to go chopping down trees yet either. But I am going to work on fibers. Yep, because we need to work on... Yeah, we can't make any twine yet, because we need to tie a bunch of sticks together to make a shelter. And we don't have enough to do that. Sort of getting the hang and feel of this game again. But one of my favorite things about survival-y games... Am I coming through okay? Yeah. Do I look completely washed out? Survival-y games is that I love starting. Because that always seems to be like the most interesting part is how fast can you get going? And how fast can you get comfortable? How is that? Does that make any sense? Yeah. So we do that, and then... Ba-boom. So we got part of this, and then... I need... palm fronds, which means I probably should go up and grab a palm fronds, because there's not going to be any in the ground, unless I'm really lucky and there's a sapling or something. But I don't think we're going to get that lucky. But this is a smaller tree, so we should be able to. We can chop this guy. Oh well, yeah. Let's chop this guy down. We don't want to chop down the ficus. So many sticks. Yes. This is the equivalent of Minecraft hitting a tree. In case you were wondering. So... Come on, you can do it! You can see it lifting. It's just a little bit more. If only I had a progress bar. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna get sunburned. Might get sunburned anyway. Come on. We're almost there. I swear. There we go. We have succeeded. Part of the problem here too is that I should just go straight to getting the stone axe going, but That would make things a lot easier. But we're already this far. Come up. Are we this far, though? Are we really? As he continues to just pummel this poor palm frond. There we go. Palm frond. Palm frond. Palm frond. Palm frond. Palm frond. And then coconut! Which we will eat eventually. SPF is a problem right now, though. So we need to get out of the sun. So let's go over here where it's shady for a bit. There we go. And let's see what we've got. Yep, we can build the shelter. Perfect. I could build the shelter here. This is actually not a bad... I've never thought about doing it inland. I always put it out there, but there's no reason why I couldn't put it in the middle of the island. Right? So let's do that. I mean, shit. It's not going to hurt me any. So, yeah, shelter. Cool. And then how's FPS treating us? FPS is still pretty intense. Let's move over a bit. There's no real... I didn't see any sort of storage bins or anything like that, which is part of the problem. So maybe we'll just jump in the water quick. It's not going to do us a whole lot of good, but it might help a little bit. There we go. Ooh, hello, sardine fish. Oh, and we've got a wreck that's nearby. I don't know if this is going to give us a whole lot, but we can check. Ooh, watch out for this sea monkey. Let's see, is our SPF? Our SPF is not great. Let's just keep swimming. Can I check my watch underwater? Yeah, it goes up a little bit while we're underwater. Your swimming stamina has increased! No, it hasn't. Okay, yep, we're building back SPF a little bit. So that's good. We're also getting our exercise. Like we need it when we're stranded on a desert island. It's not a desert island, it's a tropical island, but we're still stranded either way. Deep! Okay, we got 3 bars. Let me get it to be like a little bit better. Right now I'm also doing this as a way of checking out the island at the same time. There are other players that probably have this down to a fine science. I am not one of them. I just know what I remember from the last game. Or last time I played. Yeah, it's not bad. We're doing okay. Ooh. Lots of shallow beach here, or shallow, whatever you're going to call this. Nearby ocean swimming area. Which is good, because that means we can obviously dive in here. Won't be too bad. Oh. Some pretty deep water here. I see something, but that looks like a rock. Yeah, it's a rock. Yeah, SPF is still at 3. Not great. But there's this wreck out here. And we may chance upon something exciting! Or not. Okay, so I think we're getting down in the day. So we should start to see that crawl up really fast. Oh, cool! E to pick up. Come with me! Look at me swimming with a box in my hands. So, first order of business is I need to get the axe going. Because I need tools. And then we'll work from there. So I think, yeah, we'll work from the inside of the island a little bit more. Just as a change of pace. Well, and he says that, and now he's going to just do it completely differently. Okay, what do we got? Vehicle parts, lashing. Lashing is always good. I can take the lashing. Compass, I don't care. That's good. Yeah, navigating between islands. We got a spyglass, which is fun. Let's see. How are we doing on food? Food and water and all those sorts of things are fine right now. So our biggest problem, really, is tools. So, I think... Nope, I can't quick craft anything right now. Let's see what we need to do to create, like, our first stone tool, because I don't remember. So I need 2 of those. Okay, we can do that. So, where did I drop all those rocks? Over here? And are we still burning? we're fine-ish. Okay, so give me another one of these, and then we should be able to do... I can't quick craft that? Why not? That's the refined knife. I want this. The crew... I'd be level 1. Right. What else can I make? I can make a torch. I can make a fire pit. And a fire spit. No, that's also level 1. I can make a fire. Okay. I can make a tool belt. Bird snare. I guess I just need to make stuff. Well, kindling. Kindling's fine. Kindling has been stored in my backpack. Okay. That sounds great. I'm in... can't get around. Okay. So, I guess I could build a fire here? For warmth? Because I need that on a tropical island? I don't. Ah, good. SPF actually looks reasonable. So, I could probably... What? What do you mean, Don't me. So we used all our sticks in making the shelter. So... Do I even really want to make a fire? What else can we do here? What about building? Excuse me. Vehicles. I'm sorry. Sorry about that. So we can make lashing. I guess we just need to... I can't imagine that this is going to give us any more experience of building stuff? Yeah, why would it? Drinkable coconut. Okay, so we shall drink the coconut. Very good. Drop the coconut. Hit it with the rock again. Break it open. There we go. Eat that half and eat that half. And this. There we go. And that should make us puke, or it might make us puke. We've got water, we've got that. Good. Okay. So that's something. So now, I guess we'll save. So we've saved our game. Can't really sleep yet, so I guess we'll just keep collecting things from the island. Or see if there's anything else to collect. So I know there's the anchor. We got bandages if we need it. Compass, we've got some rations there. We'll keep those there, because there's no reason not to. We'll keep picking up these rocks. And sticks, specifically. I don't know why the game decides that rocks have to be a different slot in my inventory. Game, look here. You picked it up! You must want to hold the rock! I want to hold. Oh, we got another chest over here. We now have storage. This is good. There is danger way out there on the horizon. That's good. Yucca tree! Forgetting yucca. Well, we're going to take that stick with us. And then... See, now I'm already lost. I got lost on a small island. Brilliant. Stick. There's my shelter. So then here's the... This will actually help to keep oriented to some extent. Because I don't know why it will. I just feel like I'm going to do better this time. Vehicle electrical parts, engine part, fuel part, and a refined hammer. Perfect for building, so we can start off with that right away. And then here, we're going to drop. So we have all those rocks. That's good. I thought there was a way to make piles of material. I don't think we can do that yet. Let me actually check that out. Because I thought there was... It's probably just locked. But there's like a... It's not storage, but it's like... Have a bunch of rocks in a rock. Or maybe I'm thinking of the forest more like than this. The forest and or Valheim kind of thing. So, yeah, we can't... I don't have 4 sticks to make a fire, really? Okay, whatever. Whatever, I guess we'll sleep through the night, and then in the morning, we will continue our scavenging and salvaging and all that kind of stuff. Makes it kind of difficult to navigate at night, but that's okay. That's okay. Not a bad night, starting off anyway. Okay, so it's still dark. Great. I should have done something about that. But at least we're not burning, so that's good. So we need to make, I guess, a fire. I need to find more sticks. I don't really want to chop down a tree to get sticks. Potato! Oh. Never had a potato before. Or maybe I have and I don't remember. Now, there was the tree we chopped down, though. And that we could break apart into sticks. Because it's already there. I just don't remember where it is. And it's dark as shit out here. But hopefully we'll just stumble across it. Because it wasn't that long ago. But who knows. But at least we're rested. We just need water. And we can't really do anything about water yet because we don't have a way of making a still yet. Or, is that what it's called? A still? God, I can't remember now. Oh, there's my... There it is. There's my wooden log. Oh, we got a palm sapling we can already get started on. Cool. She'll chop this into pieces, which will take a bit of time. Just slightly. Maybe. Totally. Oh well, what else are we gonna do while we're waiting for the sun to come up, right? Someone is here. I hear people. I'm just not sure who. Okay, we've leveled up our harvesting. That's something. Where is my... There it is. So if I set a fire out here, will that just set everything on fire? Let us find out quickly. Set it right by my shelter so things die. There we are. And then we actually do have kindling. Oh wait, but now I can make things like a stick. Fire, just stay there for a second because I'm going to make a stone ring now because I've got the materials to do so. And then we can actually cook food and do things. That's not where it is. Where is that big yellow thing? There's my shelter. Where's the raft? Raft? Raft was here. Raft should still be here. It's not floating out in the ocean anywhere, so... Why can't I see it from there? Did things grow around? So I can see my shelter there, and there's... Okay. I don't know why I'm getting... Okay. So the comment I made earlier about saying that this will help me from getting disoriented is a lie! Okay, let's see. Can I make a stone ring yet? I don't think so. I can make a stone hammer, though, which might be worthwhile. But let's do the other thing I want to do, which is to get food going. So here... Oh, because I need to... Yeah, that. Why can't I... What? Oh, come on. Alright, well, then I guess we'll just make that... Change that around, because evidently that's not gonna work. Here, let's do here. Now I can't make a fire because I'm out of wood. What else can I make? I can make a light hook, make a crude spear, make a stone... Well, we need to make an axe anyway. So, let's do that. And then, let us clear out this area a little bit more. And maybe that'll help to do some stuff here. Maybe? Making some sort of homesteading kind of thing? Why not? I say to you. Well, there's probably many reasons for it. Let me do... See? Can we make a fire yet? We can. Go there. And then can we do a fire ring? We can. Good. Okay, so we got a fire ring, and then I need to make a No, I want to do the thing that goes over the top of it. Fire spit. But we probably should wait on that. I need to find cloth is another problem. But we need... Oh, lashing. Lashing we can do. No, we can't. What a fool. What a fool I was. We don't have that. We don't have the ability to do that yet. Yay, fiber sleeves. Now do I have the ability to make some lashing? Yes. Okay, now we can come back. And now we can do this. We'll make it here, and yes, to place it. So now we actually have a way of cooking food. Good, because we're going to need it. Actually, water's more of the problem. So let us go journeying. Well, we need a... Where's a coconut? Where's the nearest coconut? Because that's the only other thing I can think of to get water right away. Unfortunately. There we go. Drink it. Okay, drop it. And then, do we need to eat it yet? Yeah, eating would probably be a good idea. One of these times is going to make me sick. But right now, I think we're doing okay. How are you doing? Yeah, we still need more water than just that, though. So let's see what we can scavenge around the island. Because what I'd really love to find is some cloth. Because that would be all we really need. And then the rest of the materials that go into the still are all salvageable. And I don't really want to try going with the... Ooh, that's it right there. I'll take the planks. No, I don't want to hoist them on my shoulder. I just want the cloth, which is right here. Yeah, okay. We're in business. So now we need to see what we can make for the still, the water still. I need lashing and a coconut. We can do that. We can totally do that. And that we're going to put over here, halfway between everything, for reasons. Also, it'll be exposed to the air, so that if it rains and we get that material going on. Fiber sleeves. Do we have enough for lashing? No. I need more fiber sleeves. I need more! You will become fiber sleeves. Yes. Do I have enough for lashing? No. We need a little bit more. You need lashing for everything. I think in one of the... Yeah, let's just raid... Is it this one? No, I already took it. Yeah, fuck. Maybe over here? No. That's a negative. What happens if I just chop this down? Can I? No, I can't. That doesn't work that way. What's this? Sea slug? Nope. Come on, little plants. I didn't decimate your entire population, did I? Oh, good. Oh, it's a yucca tree. Well, these take what? A day or two to redo? Oh, I saw you. Okay, I was gonna say I thought there were 5. Means we have to survive that long. Okay, so I was gonna put it in between these two, so I actually figure things out. Good. So we do this. We have lashing now. Cloth. Lashing has been stored in my backpack. I can't pick that up. There's not enough room in my inventory. You, we can drop over here. This will become kind of our place to drop stuff. Cloth, for whatever reason, decided to have its own way. What we got? Oh, the coconut thing. That's right. This is the thing that always screws me up. So we need a drinkable coconut. So I need to grab you. But I don't have enough room in my inventory still. Okay, so what else do I need to drop? Yes, that. I don't know what I'm going to do with the potatoes. So let's just open this up. Get rid of you. Everything else I kind of want to keep. in my inventory right now. So, coconut. Thank you. So then... drinkable coconut. Okay, so... does that mean... I have to actually drink it first? I think. Okay, it's empty now. So now... I gotta make it. Isn't it considered a tool? Oh, fucking lashing again. Right? That's what I'm missing with this. Right? I need you. Coconut flask. Coconut flask, I am almost positive requires lashing. Yep. Oh, it just requires a coconut and lashing. Well, either way, it requires lashing, so we need to find another way to do that. Get out of here. And I don't have enough fibrous materials to do that. Oh, wait, I do have lashing. So this is just the wrong... really? Okay. So I already screwed it up, is basically what happened here. So is there another coconut here? No. Damn. Come here. There we go. Alright, let's try this again. Yes! You have to actually... could not be stored. Left button to place it. Okay. There we go. And we picked it up. Nope. We need this now. And the lashing that we used to make the last tool now means we can't make the next tool. Right. How are we doing on stuff? We're not... we're not comfortable yet. We're getting there. We're not yet. Okay. Oh, come on. There were 5. Yucca fruit. Okay. Whoa, wait. There we go. That was a good haul. That was a good haul. What can I do with this? Oh, can be used to grow yucca in a farming plot. So we should save that. Because I don't have a farming plot yet, but that doesn't mean it's not going to happen soon. Yes, it does. Who am I kidding? Yucca fruit. Oh, come on. What? What was that noise? Is that in the game or is that in real life? I can't tell. And so he goes again to make lashing. And now we can make the thing. Yeah. That's fine. And then we take the lashing and we do E, E, E. Now we have water developing. Perfect. So now, this point, we make a crude fishing spear, and now we go to town. Although, yeah, we need to get out of into shade quick. Ooh. Oh, come on. Okay. Let's just dive under a little bit. And see what there is to see. Ooh, that's cloth. No, that's not. That's not cloth at all. That's just a starfish. How's my watch doing? Feeling a little better. That's good. SPF is coming up. A little bit. A little bit. We're just sitting here bubbling along. Trying to make sure we don't sunburn too bad. Not bad. You okay, buddy? We gotta do this many times. We're stranded on an island. You gotta have that breath hold. The breathe, motherfucker. Hence the shirt that I'm wearing. So, oh, good. How are we doing on water? Not terrible. Great. Good stuff here. Okay, so we're gonna go here. SPF is still gonna be a problem, but what we can do, at least in the meantime, is kindling. And then I need you guys to drop in an open place where I can see you. So then I've got a problem because I don't have a wings to cut you with. Nope. I have a stone tool. I don't have a... Oh, I gotta make a refined knife. That's the problem. And that is... Don't tell me lashing. More lashing, of course. I can't make lashing right now. Oh, it's starting to... Oh, it looks like it was trying to rain. More yucca tree. Oh, why am I doing this when I've got an axe? So the question would be, can't you just cut the fish with your axe? I don't think I can. Oh shit. Where'd I drop him? Yeah. There we go. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. Now we're cooking fish. Excellent. Now we'll grab those guys and we will E to attach. E to attach. Oh, there's no other place to attach them to. Oh well. How are we doing on everything? We're doing good. Cool. And it's like it looks like it's raining just a little bit. Maybe it's just spitting. Oh, it is. It is raining, but we're underneath the hey. We're underneath enough tree cover that's not actually going to affect too much. This is good. This is good. This is all very good. I just have to, small fish meat. I just have to make sure we don't, make any mistakes. That also means that you should fill up faster here, right? Eat a drink. Keep drinking that water. Keep hydrated. Speaking of which, I should probably do the same thing. Fun stuff. Very good. Just make sure my stream hasn't decided to, like, go completely balls up or something. Oh, I leveled up my cooking? What? Bullshit. How would my cooking have leveled up? But it's not cooked yet. It's supposed to turn to cooked fish meat. Can you turn sideways? Come on. Come on, do the thing. There we are. Thank you. So I don't look like I'm an idiot. Aren't you supposed to be I heard a ding. I heard a ding. Ah, good. Ding and ding. And this is small fish meat, so we can attach you again and attach some more. And then we'll go to my inventory. We'll look at the cooked fish meat and we'll eat some. We'll this one and eat some. There we go. Cool. So we just have to wait for the dinging sound. Gosh, okay, we're good. And then that rain really made a big difference because didn't have to worry about having to hide from the sun too bad. And then also, that should have... Yeah, we still have water to drink. Get rid of some fibers here. I don't really want to do it because I could use this for lashing. Fuck it. Actually, you don't need it, do you? You're still full. Good. Alright, so we'll just hang around here and just wait. and just enjoy the... So now we're comfortable. We're a little bit more comfortable than we were. So now we can start thinking about things like building a shelter. And I think we'll build it... I don't know where we'll build it. Somewhere around here somewhere. Cooking has gone up another level. I could build it over here, I guess. Or I could build it here. I mean, there's nothing to say I couldn't build it here. I could, and then we still have some protection from the elements. So all I need is that hammer. So let me go grab that. And then we can start building... We can start building stuff. Like actual, like... domicile kind of things. Oh, did I take it or did I not? There we go. So as long as we are careful, we should be okay. And then we'll extinguish you because we don't need you right now. We'll eat some more fish food. And I don't need the rest of it. So I've got food for later. It'll probably spoil if I don't eat it, but I think we're good. So now we can actually start chopping down trees. So let's see. Take care of this ficus. Get some sticks out of it. I don't think we need many to get the flooring. Wooden foundation. We need 4 sticks. That's it. So we're gonna move it in here, right? Okay, so here is my general area. We could even put it up on something. I like that. You can put it way up if I really want to, and then I can walk into it. That'd be kind of fun. Let's do that. Then I can build steps up to it, and that could be cool. And then underneath, I can use for storage or for... Can I crouch? Is it control? Yeah, I can crouch. Can I get underneath there? I can! Okay, so we can use this for shelter before it's even finished, which is great. Okay, so we need more tree. Pick on these poor ficus trees. Feel bad. Pick up stick. Stick very good. I keep saying that from that damn YouTube video. I love it though. It's fun. Let's see. So here. No, here. Yes. Walls. We can build a tarp wall. I want a wood wall. I don't have any material to do that, so. And we can't see. I could. Can I make a torch? No, I don't have the ability to. So, trying to see at night is always fun. There's the fire spit, though. I could light the fire, of course, and then I could see. Wonder if I want to. Do I want to do that so we can keep working? That might be. That might not be terrible. There's no animals around us, obviously, so we don't have to worry about that. Oh, and there goes that. Let's see. Might be. Oh, here's a ficus tree, but see, I also don't want to take out my natural shelter that we have. I feel like there was another stick here somewhere. Ooh, spoiled potato. That's just what I want. Can I have more spoiled potatoes? Okay, so then we can do... What? Okay, maybe there's a better way to do this. We can make a wedge. Roof middle. Roof corner. Nah. Nope, we want to do that. Lashing again. No, wood wall's fine. Let's do that. So we will build a wood wall. We'll put it here. Cool. Nice. We're doing good. For the moment, until things go absolutely crazy. Okay, we'll put you out for the night. And we'll sleep. Oh. why my neck is deciding to give me trouble. Probably because I'm... probably because I'm slouching like a fool. Yeah, well, let's see. Could relight the fire. It's not like we're playing the Long Dark where we have to worry about things like cold. That's not too many sticks there. This is another ficus tree. Yeah, but we can't chop that one down. More stick. What are we doing? Water's a problem. Okay. Can extinguish you for now. So we'll go to my still. Which I can never remember where I put it. I put it where I'd remember it. It's the direction of the new shelter I'm building, I guess. Okay. Such a pretty game. Is that enough for water? Let's top off. There we go. And then we do have... Wait, is this the cooked fish meat? Yeah. Whew. Okay. Good. Okay, so we're doing okay. And you got water. You don't have any... Okay, we definitely need to keep... I hate to do this because we always need lashing for everything. But we also need... Okay, we got a bunch of sticks. We've also got some planks over here I forgot about that I think we can use to make... We got plank scrap, which can make... What can we make out of it? Don't really know. But we can use it to make a wall. So we'll make this kind of a cobbled together shelter. Because, I mean, it makes sense. We're not, you know... We're using what we've got around us. It's not supposed to match. So, wall. Can I make a plank wall? I need 2 sets of planks. I can make a plank half wall. We need to make a doorway in. So the wooden arch is going to be here. This is where I'm going to put it. So this is the front. Nice. And then, do I have any more material to do? I have... I do have enough. Can I make a half wall? I can make a wood window. Ooh, yeah, we can do that. That sounds like a good idea. And we'll make that. That only takes 3. It's good. We are almost there to making, you know, stuff. We'll make a plank window on this other side. I can't. I don't have the level to do that. I do have these. So we'll make this on the other side. Okay, and then the problem we have right now is how do we make a roof? Wood cap. So we just need 4 sticks for that. That's not bad. We're doing good. Actually, wait a minute. Before we do that, can we make it out of anything else? So that's a wood cap. Brick. We can't make it out of anything else. Has to be wood. Okay, fine. Let's see. We don't have any wood in our inventory. That's fine. How are we doing on other materials? We're doing okay. So we shall wander and find some wood sticks. So I need 4. Maybe they're just hanging around or from other places that I didn't pick up enough. Palm tree, hold space to climb. I get it. I get it. Yeah. And maybe we'll even grab some crabs this time. I mean, that sounds suggestive. Krig or Sari, it me. It's you. It is you. How are you enjoying your adventures into Linuxing? It's a wild and wonderful territory, isn't it? I don't want to take this palm sapling's life, but I'm going to. I need to pick up the fibrous leaves that it has. Is there anything else here? No. Shit. I am? Oh, shit. I am. Why am I dropping frames? Okay, hang on. I was keeping an eye on it. I got it on my phone. I thought I had it covered, but maybe I don't. Well, that sucks. Thanks for telling me. Okay, so let's see if we're still dropping of the many frames. Or did that clear it up at all? You're having a hard time figuring out how to find locate. Okay. Yeah. That's one of those things that just you kind of just start to memorize it after a while. So. And let me know if that cleaned up the frame rate. So I'm not dropping anymore because it's hard to tell. Because I don't think on OBS I can see it. I think it's an network bound issue. Okay, cool. But yeah, no, the biggest places. So you know, like on Windows, you have documents. You have the C drive. You have like Windows, and everything gets shoved under Windows, and that's about it. Linux, the main My Documents folder, the main users folder is called Home. So Home is the first place to know. So that's where all user stuff goes. So if you think of My Documents, Home is that. The other place you want to know is Etsy, or I always say etc. because it's etc, and I don't see how you can't pronounce that as etc. But everybody else calls it Etsy, but I just call it etc. As I've said 3 times. Anyway. Can I get up there? Yeah, what the fuck? There will be many moments like that, though. No, I don't have enough stick. You've never heard somebody say Etsy for etc.? I have. You'll hear people say it. And if you're talking with anybody with Linux, they'll say that and they'll throw you off. Because you'll wonder, why do you mean etc.? Etsy folder. Okay, sure. I mean, whatever you want, buddy. I mean, whatever floats your boat. But I don't want to chop down the ficus trees around my house. I'm gonna have to sacrifice one of these palm trees, I think. I don't want to do that, but I don't see any other choice. So those are the 2 ones I would remember off the top of your head as much as possible, because that's where you have to go all the time. You have to go to the home folder for all the stuff you've downloaded and all the stuff you've grabbed. Bin, that's exactly what it is. Yes. Bin is the executive, or the exe folder. So bin standing for binary. So that's kind of the idea behind that. And then the other place is user. User is user accessible files and executables. And then if you just have straight up bin at the top, then that's non-user land sort of stuff. It isn't when you know that's been around for like 50 years. You'd think it's disorganized if you haven't gotten used to it, but it actually follows a specified format. Doesn't mean it's right. It just means it's following something that's been there. I need fucking lashing again. All right. Fuck it. Let's do this. Can I put it on top? Can you see? Can you see? Yes, you can. Can I hit it from here? No, I can't. Can I jump up and... Yeah. Oh, shit. I can just jump up to get in here? Oh, that makes things easy. Pound, pound, pound. Okay. Or am I just not used to it? Honestly, once you get used to it, you'll look back at Windows and be like, oh my god, they shove everything under System 32 in Windows? That doesn't make any sense. Same kind of idea. But what you'll grow to understand, or you may not grow to understand, maybe you'll hate it, is that all Linux distributions deal with that. Ha! No. You've been making batch files that run the command. It's an easy way to map a desktop icon. To map, no. If you want a shortcut, it's easiest to make it from the UI, really, to be honest. But what you're looking for is a link command. So that is essentially what Windows tries to do. Maybe not enough room in my inventory. I'm just trying to pick something out of my inventory. What? I don't understand. I don't understand what my game's trying to tell me. So if you want to link, let's say for example you've got a script that you put somewhere in a folder, wherever it is, and you shoved it into, say, user local share or something like that, and it's a script to run something. What you can do is do a symbolic link, so it'd be like ln space -s. The first part is going to be the path to where your file is. The second part's going to be to the desktop. And then those two files then are basically going to act as the same thing. So if you double click it on the desktop, that'll launch your file. So that's how you basically do it. But if you're using a graphical environment, they all have their own way of doing it. So then things get a little bit interesting. Because they're usually desktop environments like, I mean, there's a lot of levels of Linux. And one of the next levels to learn when you start getting into it is knowing that there are multiple desktop environments. Windows doesn't have any others. It has Windows. That's it. With Linux, you have two basic flavors, and then there's a bunch of other periphery that has their own little deals. The main flavors are KDE, as in the K desktop environment, and then the other one is GNOME. And I forget what GNOME stands for. GNOME is not an environment or something like that. But GNOME. And both of them create their links differently. So if you have a desktop in GNOME and you create something on the desktop, that's going to create a file that'll look different than what KDE would make. So it's little stuff like that. But generally speaking, if you're trying to just make stuff to link to other stuff, the link command is where you're starting. So that's where things get fun. I would say depending on what kind of screen, if you gave me, I'll tell you right now, if you gave me a screenshot of the desktop of the VM you're looking at and DM'd it to me, I could tell you exactly what environment you're working in. Mostly. Some of them look a lot the same. But, right-click functionality and things like that would be different for some of those. And I need to make lashing again. Fuck. Or I can just jump in here. Actually, we're just going to crouch. Fuck it. Because I should be able to go here. And this should act as shelter, I think. So we're watching my... Ah! And it does! My FPF is going. Nope. You can do whatever you want. You can take a full screen VM. All I need to do is see a picture of what the desktop looks like. Of what you're working in, where you're clicking on stuff. And I can tell you exactly what it's going to be. Because this is the kind of stuff I work in all the time. And I'll say like, oh, okay, if you want to link something to your desktop, right click here, or look this up and there's a lot of functionality in Linux now that didn't used to be there, so it's a lot different. So this is perfect for being a sun shelter. Good, if I need it. But I need to get stairs, otherwise it's just going to be a dumb room. These yuccas aren't going to grow back anytime soon. So what's the next thing we need to work on here? We need to up our game is what needs to happen. Oh, I was going to make myself some crabs. That's what it was going to be. I was going to give myself a treat. So how am I doing on food? Food we have enough for that. So where's my stabby stick? My stabby stick is yonder. But I also don't have enough room in my inventory. Shoot! That sucks. Because I've got all these palm fronds, which is great. We can use those later for a secret we'll need later. Am I still running out of water a lot? Yeah. Good. And then I can actually use a palm frond here, and that'll take care of that. Good. What else do I have here? I have a fiber. More palm fronds. I've got a stone tool. I've got everything I really need to keep on me. You sent it? Did you? Okay, let me take a look quick, because I'll be able to tell you right then. So you are... Come on. Come on. You are GNOME. No, you're an XFCE. Oh shit, yeah, you're an XFCE. You are in the X desktop environment. XFCE has got a learning curve. So if you're having trouble creating stuff there, I can understand. XFCE is really lightweight and fast, and that's what I use on the streaming machine for that reason. But it's cool. I actually don't have any desktop icons on it because I don't use them because they just don't work as well as just creating a dock. So what you could do actually would be easier, maybe, is create a panel and then put icons in it, because that'll be kind of like, not like Mac, but kind of like Mac. So that desktop environment has a long history because it was the used to be, or it was a derivative of, or kind of an homage to CDE, which was the common desktop environment that was common on IRIX and Unix systems for years and years and years. Is that a crab? That's a crab! 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 Ah, I've got you! Now, alright, we shall have crab meat. Shall have a varied diet of proteins. Proteins! And then I gotta get out of the sun because this isn't gonna work. I don't think I can eat the sea slug. Oh, there he is. You come here. Ah. Okie dokie. So we will get out of the sun. I will jump into my shelter. I think. Yeah, we will. Okay. And then we shall grab the crabs. Shall drop said crabs. And then we shall grab my stone tool. And we shall skin it. Yeah. Crab meat.
Oh, it's disgusting.
It's not disgusting. It's delicious, you punk. Okay, so now we have to see if we actually gain FPS. We do. SPF goes up here. But I've always kind of gone back and forth. XFCE is a very standard environment. I'll put it that way. It does not have a whole lot of bells and whistles, but it's got enough to keep you occupied. And it's fast, and it's, once you get used to it, it's the same everywhere. Whereas the other environments can be configured, and they can be customized, depending on the distro. You know, how do you create a desktop icon over here? So, if I wanted to, if I right click, it doesn't give you the option to. So it's a little different. Yep. So, if you go into the menu, and let's say you were looking at, I don't know, Discord or Google Chrome, one of your applications, you can right click on it, and there should be, if you right click on it, the option to add it to desktop from there, and then that'll give you a desktop icon. So there's another way to do it. Excuse me. That's another way to do it. Yep. If you're learning the launcher function, that's a good way of doing it, because the launcher will also still teach you how to navigate the file system and how to create stuff. So that works just as well. You will get the hang of it, but there is going to be some frustrating times. It's be like, why can't I just do this? It will make you stronger as you use it. But a lot of people get frustrated with XFCE right away. Because it's not fancy. It's not fun. I mean, it's not as much fun as some do. See, and I don't use Git a whole lot. Like if, so you got me there. Like I use Git for grabbing, software that I need to compile, but all I'm really doing is I'm going out, grabbing the Git folder, bringing it down, and being done. But if you're using Git from command line, I mean, it's the same thing you'd be running into anywhere you're using Git. I wonder. So I was thinking about this just a second ago. If I try to, well, I'm gonna run out of time. I need to cook these crabs so that I can eat them when they're ready. That's what needs to happen. Where's my kindling? Kindling! What I'd really love to have is a smoker, but I would need to actually be able to, yay! Keep it lit, I suppose. I need to be able to find a rec that actually had it. Okay, so while that's cooking, ooh, Easy fibrous leaves. But I hope you're enjoying it. I mean, at least in some parts. But I can understand where some of it's not. Nope, I can't really hit this, can I? Can't take the wood out of it. Okay, so we need to find other wrecks, is the story here. So we need to go further afield, I think. I'm stoked you're trying it. What this will do, though, is once you start looking at some of the other environments, you'll appreciate them a lot more. You're like, oh, this is so cool. I couldn't do any of this in XFCE. Yep. But you're also working from a very, very basic workstation. So, yeah. Very few people. I'm crazy. I work on... That's the kind of shit I use. I don't expect other people to use Linux like that. A lot of people go completely minimalist just because it looks cool. Okay, where's Mr. Shark? I'm just waiting for him to pop out of nowhere and make my life miserable. Oh, there's flotation devices. I really like those. Ouch. Oh, fuck. All right. Okay. Okay. That's a shark. That's a shark. Somebody decided to take a bite out of me, and I don't like it. Where is he? Oh, yeah. He's real close. Yeah, burrs. That wasn't cool. Okay, so there are... Damn. How much did he hurt me, though? Not bad. Just enough to nip me. He just wanted to let me know he was there. But now we can go back and eat our crabs. But there's also... Lord of Goats! Linux! What's up? We were just actually discussing Linux. Lord of Goats makes dabblings into Linux quite frequently. What's up? I'm eating cooked crab meat. Sudo apt-get big hugs. Somebody killed me the other day. It's not apt-get anymore, it's just apt. Is it better to download stuff GUI-wise on a web page or use sudo apt? So, depends on what you're doing. If you are, for example, installing programs like apt, okay, so sudo apt or sudo apt-get updates your system. That's your Windows installation update program. That's what that is. Apt is that way. On Debian or Ubuntu based systems. But if you are downloading, it depends on what you're trying to download. So let's say for sake of argument, I have an icon pack that I really like from blank web page that I want. It's a zipped file with a bunch of different JPEGs in it, and I want to grab it. I could open Firefox, click on it, download it, and I'm done. Or would I instead use, say, wget and then put in the web page URL for the download file and do it that way? You could do it either way. That'd be fine. It just depends on what's easier for you to do. If you're already working within a terminal and you know where to grab it from, that's fine. Or you want to copy and paste a location, sure. But if you're talking about grabbing an installation file from the internet versus... Okay, so OBS is a good example. So OBS Studio, for example, if you go to the OBS Studio website, they have the Ubuntu packages there you can download, or you can set it up in your repositories to automatically download when you use apt. I would say use apt as much as possible, because if you use apt will also use the hashes to make sure they're secure. It will keep your system up to date, and you won't have to go through dependency hell. Because the one thing you don't want to go through is dependency hell. Dependency hell is what happens if you install a program without any of its corresponding libraries up to date, and you're not sure what version it is, and you try to install it, and it kind of installs, but it never will run right, and it has all these error messages saying you're missing. Apt tries to fix all that before you get there. So, that answers your questions at all? Your dabbling's got you into Portainer.io and Docker Compose. Docker is still something I haven't really worked with a whole lot, because that's kind of like a container function. But that works really, it's like a modularization of certain things. But I haven't looked at and Portainer. I don't know what Portainer. I don't know what that is. I don't know what it is. Do I want to know? Are minds inquiring enough? I'm not sure. Let's see, what time is it? 18:23. It's actually pretty light out. Or it's pretty nice out. Oh, a palm tree! In case you weren't sure this is a palm tree, we're going to light it up for you. Scary Linux campfire story of the cryptid and descendancy, right? It's the truth. And beware the hell of the dependencies, for you will be lost forever in error messages and log files. You're using it to build fancy pants self-hosted heartbeat mod or stuff through Kuma, update to Uptime Kuma, and dumping the info into Prometheus to change it into a nice database, and then Grafana, all these programs I don't know, to turn all that tasty data into pretty infographics so the managers can see a dashboard of what servers, firewalls, databases are up and running, health stats. So are you essentially kind of cobbling together what would be the same thing as, it's not as pretty, but what was what's the server monitoring management suite? It's not Instat. Not Net. What was it called? Because there was one you could do. Yeah, do-it-yourself SolarWinds. Same kind of thing. But no, there was a free one for Linux. No, it wasn't called Cuber. I used to use it a lot. And actually, at the company I used to work for, they had it running to monitor servers. I only used it a couple times because I only had a couple servers at home that I watched. But it was called N something. Oh, Nagios. Nagios. Yeah. Right. Yes, Nagios. It's kind of like that, but Nagios isn't as pretty. You're not going to get pretty infographics, but it does have pretty graphics. It gives you a graphical interface at the very least. So that's cool. What was the one I use on the server here all the time? That's the only one I really used. There was like a fancy web page sort of GUI that you can install for accessing basic functions. There's all sorts of shit. All these Linux things sound crazy. Like Arch Linux sounds like the MLG version of Linux. Anybody running Arch will tell you it is. Anybody running Arch will tell you it is the MLG, because they have to tell you they run Arch before they even know who you are. Arch Linux is like the... Okay, think of a game upon which all other gamers are judged. And that is Arch. Yes. And I know how to run Arch. I've run Arch. I can run Arch. So what's cool about Docker is that you can run apps or a whole OS in the Docker container. It's like virtualizing software instead of hardware, kind of. Yeah, but you're not actually having to get the virtualization underpinnings with all that stuff along with it. It's like basically taking the beauty that is the modularization of Linux, from what I'm understanding of it, and then kind of just making it a little bit further so you don't have to worry about, you know, having to, like, the thing that always got me about virtual machines and everybody running virtual machines for like function in Windows was that you have the entire OS that you're using to do one thing, and then I'm going to spin up another VM, the whole operating system, with Notepad and with the interface and with all the other stuff that goes along with Windows to run another one app. And then we just kind of do that. Whereas Docker sounds like it says like, nope, we're just going to make this a package, but we're not going to have to take anything else, and you're just going to work. And all the dependencies live in the container if you have it done right. Oh, it's kind of like Snap is based on the same kind of concept. You export the container, import to another server, and it just drops in and goes. Kind of crazy fast. That is kind of, so that is the modern age of Linux now, I think, is a lot of different pieces that we've had to install, quote unquote, in the operating system. So Craig, this kind of goes back to the dependency hell I was talking about. You had to install all of the library dependencies before you could get, you know, said program to run. Well, what if you take all those library dependencies and put them in a box, and then put your program in that box and then play the box? That's where a lot of the conceptualization of Linux is coming to now, because along the same idea of that is you have things like snap packs and flat packs, where the developer puts the program in it, but then they put all the dependencies you need to have in it, and then anything that can run a Flatpak will just run that program. Steam works a lot like that on Linux. A lot like that. You can set up networking between containers so you can isolate apps from the OS, like from the hypervisor layer. That's awesome. So we don't need to have a whole operating system to run a thing. A coffee maker, you know. Did I sleep through the night? Did I not? What time is it? 1919. Super secure. Well, that's good. Well, you're also taking out a lot of the things that make it insecure. You have less stuff into which to hack. If that makes any sense. Still over my head though. Totally over my head. We're on day 3 already. I'm already caught up to what my other game was. But no, I love the stuff. Like, the thing is like, once you get to a point where you're comfortable, you start asking the question like, okay, well, what can't I do? You know, what can I do to this? Maybe they made a program to do blank. Oh, they did. You were told to use... Oh, I was told to use Linux or I would run into coding issues and stuff for something? Are there like weird Linux-only extensions or something? Hey, the bats! Hey, buddies. Hello. Are you vampire bats? Are you going to eat my face? Please don't. Bye-bye. Maybe it's just easier? Let's chat off stream sometime, because I'll show you what I'm working on. Sure. You just hit me up when you're ready. Or does Windows Gorp stuff? Linux, getting set up and coding in Linux is a lot more straightforward than trying to get used to getting into Visual Studio and running things. Make it gushy. Sometimes. Learning some of the programming languages from a very basic Linux setup is a faster uptake, I think. Oh, here we go. Oh, God. I don't think he's there yet, Goats. I don't think he's there yet to answer the question of what's his favorite text editor. Craig, beware. Beware of answering that. It's a setup. It's a trap. So, let's see. Visual Studio. Visual Studio. What's the C part? Visual Studio Command. Visual Studio Center. You're running Visual Studio in Linux? I mean, you can, I think. Won't hold that against you. Oh, Visual Studio Code. Is that what it's called now? Okay. I've only coded on Linux for the little times that I have. So you got me. I have no clue. Let's see. We've got food. We've got water. I'm trying to think of what else do we really need. Basically just build on stuff. Like, once you get past the survival mode, then it's kind of like, okay, what do I do next? Don't really know. You could do all sorts of things, but you're not sure. Of course, it's hard to see at night anyway, so we gotta wait till the sun comes out. No, my bot won't bot me for that. VSCode.dev. Yeah, I don't know that one. Oh, IntelliJ IDEA for regular Java. That's fancy stuff. I don't think I've ever did... Java, I don't work in. I've never really, except with the weird Minecraft diagnosing of errors bullshit. So that's beyond me. I'm more of a system admin when it comes to that. There are some annoyances, but you can do VS Code in a browser, open your repos, and go ham. Really? VSCode.dev. Okay. Yeah, I never. Yeah, I don't know shit about that kind of stuff. Like, I've used there we go. Yeah. We need to have water. Like when back in the day when I took my own one and only C plus, or was it C sharp? No, it wasn't C sharp. My C class in C. I was using Kate from KDE and running the C++ or GCC compiler and all that kind of stuff. And I learned how to make basic like accounting programs and how to make an array and all that kind of stuff. So I could understand that concept. But it was C sharp. It was It was programming 101. It really was. Empty drinkable coconut. Do I care? So we got this stuff here. I could start building a machine. Vehicle filter part. Okay, so what can we make right now? Because we've advanced. So I could make a loom, so I could make cloth, but that takes a lot of stuff. I can't make a furnace yet because I don't have clay, because I don't probably have a shovel. I can't make a hobo stove because I don't have a can. We also know there's a shark out there, so I can't get close enough to something that might have said can. Shelves, tables, planks. Okay, we can make all sorts of things. A bed might be nice. I don't have enough cloth. And I'd need to make, what's this? Leather. We'd have to find an animal and kill it. There's water. That's good. Kindling, crude hammer, crude spear, a fishing rod, refined axe. So if I took a stone tool and if I had leather, we could refine our axe. So a lot of these things are a little bit more complicated. So we'd have to go to we'd have to find a better place to hang. Let's look at consumables here. It's super handy for you keeping all your PowerShell stuff straight from your Windows servers and Azure CLU. Cool, CLI. That makes sense. Are you alone on the island, Professor? Did Marianne come ashore? No, Marianne's nowhere to be found. Sorry. You're just a beginner, though? Yeah, you're like within like less than a month of doing this. Coming up with the project ideas for job portfolio is the hardest part. I don't know what counts as good ideas for projects. Anything is organization. You know, if you're coding stuff, basic sort of, I mean, you can't make a database yet, of course, but I mean, you could essentially start creating like text kind of things. Of Linux, just a few weeks. Coding over a year. But for projects like storing names in an array of some sort and using that as kind of a, or getting, oh, you know what? You know what works for something like that is choose your own adventure, text-based sort of things, if-then statements, depending on user input. Those are easy projects that are a lot of fun that can develop into something else. Yeah, once you kind of get the hang of it, then you can think of like, oh, I could do this, I could do that. I don't have that mindset. It's a very specific mindset. There you go. See? So, I mean, you know, there's things you could do. But jobs, prospects for a job portfolio down the road, yeah, I mean, what do people look for? They look for people who can code to specific programs. Like, you know, developing for, I don't know, QuickBooks or something, you know, plugins, expandability, stuff like that. Find something you do repeatedly that's consistently paying your ass and automate it. There you go. But, like, I doubt a job guy would be like, oh shit, this dude done a text adventure. You never know. You really never know. Stranger things have happened. I mean, I fell into IT from having a writing background, so, you know, never look a gift horse in the mouth. I mean, I'm on day 3. Cool. Why is that so small? Stop that. I'm trying to make sure my stream isn't shit. Thank you. Okay. Ooh, I keep thinking that's cloth! It's just a blue starfish! Damn it. Okay. We did get over the lagging issues, right? No one said anything, so I think I'm good. Or hop on GitHub and pick a project with a bug and go fix them. That's a big thing. Make a gacha game with anime girls. Actually, that's an excellent point. If you start fixing bugs or looking at things to bug fix, that's a good place to start. You know what I mean? Seeing things with existing problems, trying to figure out how the software works, and see if you can help. That's a good one. Am I dying? I need water and food eventually. Did I eat the crabs? I did eat the crabs. That sounds suggestive. I don't mean it that way. Am I walking on water? How deep is it here? This isn't that shallow. Is it? Oh, here we go. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, sea turtle, hi! I'm not going to kill you. It just seems like that in the intro sequence. Okay. Oh, we got some groupers over here. Oh, and there's a there's a ray, or is it skate? Oh, cool. Oh, neat. Oh, this game. This game is fun. So this looks like, okay, this looks like a possibility right here. We might be able to get to that wreck. Oh shit! Fuck off! What about fucking off? Don't you understand, shark? Oh shit. Where'd he go? Well, now I'm in shallow water, so he's not gonna follow me over here. Arrgh. Why do I have to have sharks everywhere? Uncensored peener. How dare you do that? Why are you posting penises in my chat? Especially lolly games, heavy games like Genshin. Oh jeez. What, gacha games with anime girls make disgusting amounts of money? Or lewd ASCII test adventures? Gosh. Yes. I'm glad you're finding your calling. You're starting to get it. I should just go way over there and go to that other island. But I feel like that would be... I think I might push myself too far. Oh, jeez. Good job. Great. Thank you for posting genitals in chat. You put on your wizard robe and hat. North! Gosh. I should give a shit about keeping my chat uncensored, but this is considered a mature stream for a reason. This is not for children. Except we're all mentally, like, at the age of 16 still. I'm going to gut these fish on camera. Actually, I'm going to do it in here because it makes it easy. Oh, shit. Jump up. I need to build a thing. Okay, you guys. There we go. And then I need to skin you alive. Zork. I miss Zork. Zork was awesome. I read the books, actually, because I didn't have a computer at the time. So, I remember reading some of the Zork novels, and I thought those were cool. You could run patches for Skyrim. I'm just kidding. I wouldn't push that on anybody. No, but one of the best things I think learning that stuff teaches you is how the rest of the world works. You know what I mean? Because it gives you that experience of understanding how these underpinnings actually go. Because if you don't know that, then you can't. It makes it harder to fix them for sure. Also to support them. So even with the job I've got now, I don't know enough. I can't code something from scratch, but I can read code. Reading code is an exceptionally necessary skill. Doesn't matter what code that is. Being able to read any code will help you with reading other code. And that's really important. In my opinion. Because I think it's real easy to get lost if you don't have the knowledge of how something's doing something or why. Or how to add a frickin' comma when you need to, or a parenthesis. Because once you understand one, you understand a lot of them. Like how the internet absolutely shouldn't function. It's being held together with spit. It's being held together with spit, duct tape, and luck. Yeah. And just raw chutzpah. Chutzpah. I'm trying to say chutzpah, I think. But it's true. It's definitely true. Did I already decide that stairs were a mistake? I don't want to do them. No, I can do plank steps. I just can't do... Oh, plank steps just take planks. Okay. But wood steps require fucking lashing. Do I have enough to make lashing? Ha! I do! Well, good for me. Come here, sticks. We're gonna make stairs. So many Apache web servers. Just so many. You notice that after learning Java basics it was easy to learn C? Yes. Yes. And vice versa. You know, you can understand cooked crab meat. No, you can understand more than cooked crab meat. What I was trying to say is that once you understand, like, Java is the devil, but Java is what has made the internet go around in many, many ways. But yep. But like reading Bash, for example, Bash scripts versus PowerShell scripts versus Python or PHP or HTTP or any of those. Once you start to know what to look for, then it all starts to make sense. And what I work in still has a lot of those foundings. The place where I got stuck is trying to understand wait a minute. Did these just stack? They're not supposed to. Okay. Cooked. Yes. Eat. Cooked. Yes. Eat. Okay, that's not cooked and that's not cooked. Okay, so that's the problem here. Alright, what the frack? Alright, have I eaten enough? I could stand to eat. Object-based coding languages are pretty intuitive anymore. You can learn Fortran overnight! No, I'm just kidding. But no, what my problem was, what I was about to say is, what my problem is that I had to start learning databases and how to run database languages in SQL. And that kind of stuff is I'm a lot more comfortable with it now, but I didn't know anything. Learn assembly. Write it on text! And I'm not going to say punch cards because that was before me, but same kind of concept. Oh, the yucca trees have respawned almost. So we can start hacking these down again and get more fibrous roots. Come on, I know there's another one in here. There we go. Cool, because we probably will need more fucking lashing. I'm just gonna make some now. Good. We have lashing. Anything else we need to worry about? We're doing really well. Okay, this game started off pretty solid. But the problem we're having, spoiled potato. The problem we're having is spoiled potato. I mean, yes. So that way out there is going to be dangerous. That's okay. What makes up the majority of learning databases? Okay. If I had to say, it is knowing how to, well, SQL, coffee. Had to pause. Well, if I had to say, well, for me, because I don't know databases at all, the one I had to learn is SQL. And SQL pretty much, SQL is kind of the big one. I think a lot of people will say you kind of need to know if you're getting into there. And then with that, learning how to grab and find data and how you do that by rows and columns. So that's what makes it the majority of it. I have to learn it as I go on the job. So it's not the same sort of thing, but learning how to write a record, or how to put a record, or insert a record, how to select a record, that's what it is. It's a lot more of that kind of stuff that I've learned anyway. And then with the individual program, what that database has been built from, you know, because it's a bunch of boxes shoved somewhere, so you have to find out what goes in the boxes. Mm-hmm. Rows and columns like an array. Exactly. Yep. SQL queries are a whole other thing. Yeah. It's knowing once you've built your array or once you've built your database, what you built, whatever, how do you get the stuff in it and how do you get the stuff out of it? That's database work. And then what do you do with it? You know, I can grab information from over here and I can grab information over here and I can put them together to make something new and then push it out to the person looking at it. I mean, a lot of stuff like Skyrim is all database driven. Because you need to have things stored, have things calculated against. Certain flags need to be set. Well, that's a field, you know. Like if you're super handy in Excel with writing formulas, it kind of translates to SQL. Yes. Yep. Exactly. Or if you're really good, Microsoft Access. Oh, yes. Just kidding. The databases were the databases we made along the databases. Yeah, now you're getting it. Now you're getting it. Commands were different, obviously, but the concepts were very similar. Yeah. Yep. Are you cooked? Yes, you're cooked. Are you cooked? Yes, you're cooked. We can extinguish you now. So now you're cooked small fish meat. I hate when that happens. It's like you can get stuff mixed up in your inventory, which I guess is part of the game, but I don't like it. Okay, we're going to try, I think. We're going to put stuff away, though. I don't have another... I don't think I have anything I need to store, except the hammer. I don't want to lose the hammer. Don't want to lose my fibers. Palm fronds? No, I can't do that. Okay, fine. Screw you, game. We'll just dump it over here with the rest of my shit. Lashing. Yeah, I don't want to lose lashing, because lashing is vitally, vitally important. The rest of the tools I can build on the fly, I think. So, we will try to get over there. You don't know the syntax of SQL, but you feel like you could pick it up decently, at least at the basic level. Yeah, you can. Yep. PowerShell is fun for Windows management. Everything is verb, noun, returning a value to the pipeline, then doing things with that object. I mean, PowerShell is very much Linux shell-like. I mean, it's a lot more trying to be more human-friendly, I guess. But ultimately, it's trying to be more like the Linux command line. In my opinion, that's what I got out of it. Because a lot of the stuff you can do, or it didn't used to be, a lot of stuff you could in command line and Windows was so anemic it couldn't do a whole lot. And Linux would just kind of shine. Well, then they came up with PowerShell, but then PowerShell had sort of limitations to it. And then they finally were like, well, what if we made it like this, and we'll make it all these commands and all that kind of stuff, and now we'll have sort of a naming scheme, and everything makes more sense. Then it became a lot more usable. But you still have to kind of mentally understand what they're trying to do with it. There we go. Can I enter the life raft now? Thank you. Please. There we are. Okay. I don't want to ride along in it. I want to grab the paddle. Okay. We're going to operate. And we need to go... Ooh. Straight this way. Okay, the sun is to my left. Here goes nothing. God, I remember when we made a raft. That was cool. Deep water. Deep water. Uh-oh. There's a shark nearby. Hopefully he won't just to try to ruin my day. Fuck off, shark. Okay. Keep going, buddy. You can make it. I just hope there's nothing really nasty on this island. Because if there is, we're gonna have problems. What we're looking for are things like... To be fair, it's command on crack, yes. It's not like Python or C where those are compiled languages or interpreted languages. But yeah, there's lots of cues from the Linux command line. Well, which makes sense. I mean, it's the other archetype, you know. I can't think of another command line shell that really had a lot of, I mean, Unix, Linux. I'm trying to think of what other sort of command line we would, Yep, he's circling me. I just saw his little tail. Fuck you. I just hope there's not some sort of rabid animals on this island. You get away from me. Don't you push my little raft around. Get out of here. Get out of here. Okay. Okay. Okay, and it looks like we are... Okay, get off. Come on, come here. Come up, 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 come up. There we go. Okay, now. Am I being attacked? No. Okay, that's good. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're doing okay. So far, so good. Sun's going up. Okay, so that's my... Oops, can't do that. Where is it? Okay, I can't see. Okay, so that's straight west is my home base. So what's the big difference between Unix and Linux, aside from Torvald's spitshine? Unix is still more System V, from what I understand. I mean, it's also proprietary. I mean, Unix is essentially proprietary, and Linux is not. So you get a different, like AIX is proprietary Unix. I'm trying to think of another one. But that's basically that's the biggest difference there. But the file system structure in Unix is going to follow, or used to be a lot more following what would be called System 5 or System V. But Linux distributions, some of them follow a lot of that too. Like that was Slackware's biggest claim to fame, is that it tried to be as close to a System 5 system that you could get. And now we are out in the dark at night. This does not bode well. Ooh. I really don't like the fact that it's just hyped the music up. This isn't what I was looking for in a game. Why, game? Why are you doing this to me? I need a shelter. I need lashing, fronds, and sticks. And then now the music just stops. I'm fine. Everything's fine. Let's see. I don't have anything on me, so I need to go get stuff. Oh, fuck. Oh, no, that's just a big crab thing. Giant crabs are okay. We can deal with giant crabs. Mostly. I'm glad the moon's out, so now I can actually see. There's a stick. Doesn't help that I don't have a torch. Can I make lashing yet? Why didn't I take one of the lashings with me to make a shelter here right away so I could sleep through the night? There's that sound again. Music. Still can't make lashing. Fuck. Now I should be able to. There we go. This goddamn game. What do I need? I need 4 sticks. I don't have 4 sticks. And I need palm fronds. Fuck. I need to find, that's a sapling. Working in the dark is a little bit tricky. Oh, you're back. Welcome back. What the fuck? Shit. 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 Fuck you, game. Oh. Oh, we stuck? You stuck over there? You stuck pig? Are you stuck pig over there, huh? Why don't you come on back? Why don't you give me some of that? Come on. Yeah, go ahead. Come here. Come on. Gotcha! How do you like that? Eh? Yeah, you see, I am not such an easy task.
Oh, gross.
Yes, give it all to me. Scan it. Scan it all. No room in the backpack. That's fine. Midnight pork chops! Yeah. Okay, we need to get rid of rawhide. Okay. 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 And then, how are we doing on life? Oh my god, I almost died. Let's grab this. Let's grab, can be used to treat bleeding or revive a player. Oh, but I'm just gonna sit here and die, I suppose. Oh, it just has to slowly build back. Uh-huh. Okay. Right. Great. Do you have hogs where you is? In the game? In the game, yes, I do now. Okay, I want to go back home. I really want to go back home. We're slowly... Oh shit, is that another one? Way over there? Oh, God. So... which way is west? Okay. Come here! We're getting the fuck out of here! Can we pick up the paddle? Okay, we want to go yonder. Come on. Turn. Come on. Don't be stuck. Why are we stuck? Don't be stuck. There we go. Come on, get free. What is your problem? We're still not doing well. Okay. Come here. Come here, life raft. I want to get in the life raft. Can we get in, please? Please let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Oh, God. The fuck? Come on. Okay. All right. All right. No, 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 no. Not the container wall again. Come on. Get away from it. Come on. That's the shark noise again. Oh, come on. Can't I get away from this thing? At all? Come here. How do I heal? Don't even know. Okay, we need to get to there. Oh, come on. There we go, buddy. Come on. Yes. Forward. Don't be stuck on the rocks. Which way are you paddling from? I feel like you're missing the concept. Kind of. Okay, so how did I do this to begin with? Oh, no, that's going that way. Okay, that's going that way. There we go. There we go. There we are. Okay, here we go. My God. Sorry. You thought that the pole in the water was a sea monster? It could still be. They're assholes in real life? Oh, I can imagine. Yeah, we're still on the brink of death here. At least I think this is our island. Oh, this is stressful. I don't know why this is so stressful. It just is. There we go. This is much easier to navigate now. See, the problem isn't that this is, I don't have permadeath on, so this isn't like a hardcore playthrough. But losing all of this shit would be a problem. They tear up the ranch farmland. They tear up the ranch farmland around here and can easily gore you to death. Yeah, well, that they seem to have captured that aspect. That's the shark sound. Midnight pork chops. Well, now we know where they have the creepy music. I should have been dead. I'm surprised I wasn't. I got lucky. Kill on sight list? Wasn't that like a thing where they kept paying people to... Coyotes are as well there, huh? Wasn't there a thing where they were paying people to round up wild hogs for a while or hunt them? Thought that was a thing. Hello, Mr. Bats. Hello, bat friends. At least I think you're bat friends. Don't be not bat friends. Oh, I can't get around these rocks, I suppose. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. Come on up on shore. Okay. This looks to be maybe my island, maybe not. Yes, this is my island. Okay, good. Oofta. All right, let's sleep and pretend none of this ever happened. Okay. Drank some stuff. That's good. We have leather now, though, which is ideal. All right. Those are just the bats. We can deal with bats. I don't know about okay, but you ever heard of that before? Oh, Oklahoma. I want to say Texas did. I'm still dying. Wow. Okay, so if I go over to where the raft was, I dropped some fibrous things, and we can use that to start getting water started. Unless this still has some water in it. Thank goodness. Oofta. That was a long way around. Not enough room in inventory. Oh, of course. Where's the still? There we go. Do we have enough water? We do have water. So where's the kindling? Let's hold the kindling to light. And where's the meat? There we go. You know, if there's enough natural predators, they can get really out of hand, especially deer. Oh, yeah. Yeah, deer can become a problem fairly rapidly. From what I've understood. I mean, I know so little about anything, to be honest. How did I... how the frack do I keep losing where the hell I am? Is it on the other side of the shelter? Ah, yes. Okay, the music is starting to really ramp up. I don't like that at all. Fuck off, music. What the hell is this music? This is like when the boar came out of nowhere. Oh, you gotta go? Okay. Sounds good. Thanks for hanging out, Craig. Good talking to you. If you have any questions about the Linux stuff, feel free to DM me anytime you need to. What the fuck was that all about? My goodness. This game is just trying to give me a heart attack, I think. Do I need water? I could use water. I just really need to heal. I'm not sure exactly how to do that. I'm going to put the compass back where it was. Rawhide can be crafted into leather using a tanning rack. Okay, so drop all this stuff here because we can use it for stuff later. Oh, okay. All right, just give me a second. Frickin' game. My goodness. Just give me just a second to catch my breath. Wow. I just don't understand what the hell that was about. But sure as shit. That freaked me out. Damn game. Okay. So, we have still not gotten what I wanted to get. I wanted to get, like, more complicated materials. Like, I wanted to get, like, a can or a barrel. Something like that. But now we have a problem of me being half dead. And I don't know if that's just going to take a long time for that to heal. I'm not bleeding, I don't think. Can be used to treat bleeding or revive a player, but I don't need to be revived. Let's see what consumables we have. So there's an aloe salve. I can make bandages. I can make a water skin. I can make a splint. Why would I want to make a splint for? Antidote. Gauze might be good. Breath boost. Water bottle. But an aloe salve might work. So I need a coconut flask. So I need a coconut and some lashing. And then aloe, which I think I've seen around. So we've got a coconut. That's an empty drinkable coconut. I need a real one. Okay. And then... do I not have lashing? I do have lashing, so I should be able to make a... come on, game. Coconut flask. There we go. And then now, this should be aloe. Good. So, if I do this, go to consumables, I need 2 of them. Of course I do. What's going on? No, it's still, my life is still beeping away. I need to find another one. Okay, you're not aloe, you are a juga plant. Not sure what you... I think you're for antidote against poison. Two aloe. I'm not gonna find 2 aloe, are I? Just gonna have to have the one. So I just get to sit and still be close, near death. And make sure I don't do anything stupid. Yeah, that's not aloe. Well, damnation. Nothing else I can... Over yonder? No. Oh, we've got rain. See if my meat's done cooking. Oh, I think I forgot about it, didn't I? Shit. Yes. So that should have filled me right up. Good. Oh, goodness. Get in my shelter! Such as it is. Four days survived. Hopefully my raft isn't going to try and float away. Doesn't look like it's trying to. That's good. Could use some water, though. Of course I'm going to be thirsty. Let's see. Am I full up? Maybe if I drink enough water and rest, maybe that'll do it. Okay. Maybe. Maybe. Probably not. Okay, now. Aha, I'm safe. Kind of. Not really. God, I didn't think tonight would be this hectic. Shit, this damn game. Ooh, there we go. There we go. We're starting to heal up a little bit. I just needed more water. Okay. Good. The birds are out there in it. Look at them go. Look at those birds go. Oh, look at those waves roll in. Okay, where's my raft? Keep an eye on it so it doesn't go anywhere. I don't know why I'm worried about it. I'm stranded. What's the raft gonna do me? I can travel to Death Island with a big frickin' pig on it. Although if I've killed it, does that mean it's gonna respawn? I don't even know that. Oh my goodness. Ugh. I think we just need to work on just making sure we heal up. That's number one priority here. We've got enough food. Let's take a look while we're waiting. See what it would take to make a tanning rack, because that's the next thing we'll need. Sticks and fucking lashing. Okay, we can do that. So we can do that. If we can make leather, we can upgrade stuff, and suddenly that trip was not pointless. Not that it was pointless anyway. I think it actually. I think it's fine, but it wouldn't have been, so the terrifying part is worth it, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. Miserable. But we get water out of it. And that's why I pull my... Yeah, there it is, right there. Shit. It looked like water was coming up further up the shoreline, but maybe not. Maybe we're okay. Oh, it's trying to. Do not take my raft with you. Pull you all the way up here by my stuff. Okay. Okay, good. We're healing up slowly but surely. Don't call me Shirley! I know, but still. Wow. Guess it depends on which way the wind's coming in from, but I think I've got everything up high enough where it's not going to get washed away. I think. Also, too, if for whatever reason it did come all the way over the island, I, in my genius, built this up on stilts a little bit. Thank goodness. Now, I wonder, I have no idea how this game works. None. But I'm wondering if this means that stuff has a better chance of blowing onto the island now? So, cloth and debris and things. Because that would be cool. That would be ideal. I'm still going to keep making the aloe vera gauze, though. Because of anything that'll help me crafting. But, wow, this is something. Gosh, that's a lot of water. Ugh. My poor little shelter there where I can sleep in, that's it. We might have enough cloth for making a bed too, if I wanted to. I think. Maybe? Cloth requires a loom. Bricks require clay. We're not even close to that. Here we go. Now that's the good music. That's the everything's fine, everything's okay music. I need 3 cloth. But then I need also 3 leather. Okay. Which would require then going out and getting ourselves killed again. Potentially. It's a wood floor. Why do we need a wood floor if we have a wood foundation? Did we ever learn the difference between those two? Oh yeah, because a floor can be used to put on a raft. I think. Maybe. No, that's different. It's a wooden raft base. And we do have the buoy balls. So that is another way we can do it. Farming! Oh yeah, we can make a wooden farming plot. That would be a good idea. I think let's do that first. So, if we can do that, we can plant a hoe is required for farming. Fuck. Story! I have to build an airplane. Back to consumables. Anyway, right. First things first, we need to heal up. And we're healing up nicely. And everything's fresh and green. And let's see if stuff does now float up on the bank better. I'm still kind of curious about that sea slug. I know if I step on it, it'll probably spike me or something. I do not have enough to make lashing, but we also need to pick up some of the pieces I've left over here because I haven't. It's all rawhide. What else do we have? Fiber sleeves. Fiber sleeves. I don't have enough room for fiber sleeves in my inventory. Ah, I've got aloe. That's right. Oh, you're not going to fit in there, are you? Oh, you might. No. Okay, I guess I just get to drop you here, aloe plant. You're still cooked, right? Yeah, you're still cooked. Good. Not that we suddenly become uncooked. That's not what I mean. Sticks. Sticks. Good. Lashing. Lashing. Oh, there's lashing. Why don't you stack when I want you to? Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. I don't understand, game. I don't know what you want from me. So I can build all sorts of stuff like that. Oh, I can make a crude hoe if I want to. But I don't know if that's what we want to do. Is it? I don't think it is. I think we want to make a tanning rack. Because then we can make leather. But I need 4 lashing. Of course I do. Okay. So let's take our sticks. Fine. My goodness. Okay. Now pick up the lashing. Now pick up the other lashing. Now we need my backpack really doesn't like to stack. What is that about? And who can I speak to about that? How are we doing on food? Food's fine. SPF is fine. We're doing really, really well. Fiber sleeves. Fiber sleeves. Lashing. Fiber sleeves. Keep walking around. There's a rock, of course. There. Fiber sleeves. Can you make lashing yet? What do you mean, What do you mean, What the fuck is that supposed to mean, game? You can't make anything? We need 4 for that. Okay. So we just need a few more, and then we'll be able to... Oh, I know, yeah. There was a thing you could make. You could make a leaf pile or something. That was a thing, I think. But you have to have enough. There we go. And I think that's, yeah, enough to make that. Lashing has been stored in my backpack. Thank you, game, for actually doing what you're supposed to do. Now... 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now we can do this. Not that. This. No, I was wrong. Here. Right? No. Yeah. Where is it? Yeah, this. Tanning rack. So let's put you... let's put you... Well, you're going to get in the way. Put you here. That's fine. And then... we take rawhide, 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 rawhide! And then we come over here. And then we do... something. Do we do this? We do this? Do we do this? And we do this? And we do... What do we do? How do we do this? How do we go? Hey, honey. That was my wife in the background, by the way, if you're wondering who's walking through. I know... Oh! I just have to be nearby. Okay. Nope, nope, nope. Ah! I get it now. So, I've got limited amount of leather. What can I do with that? So, I can make a bed. If I wanted to. Make a fuel still. Don't need to make a fuel still. I can make a plank station. Don't need to make a plank station. I don't need to make a loom. I don't have enough to make it with. Can make better weapons, of course. Can make an upgraded axe if I wanted to. Refined axe, yeah, right here. Would that be worthwhile though to do that? Refined pick? We don't even have a pick. So what would that get us? I'm not sure. I can make a bow and arrow, of course, but I don't need leather for that. Oh, but it is the... Is it here? No, it's here. Isn't the bed one of the things here listed? Or is it considered this kind of a thing? No, 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 it should be here. It's this. No. Yes, here. Okay, so it's in one of the these kind of things. But I would need, yeah, 3 cloth. And is that worth it to use up what little leather I have? Not really. Not really. So what do I mean, making a refined axe is probably not a bad way to go. Let's do that. Okay. So this is an upgrade, if anything. So that's good. But what are we going to do with this? Besides chop down bigger trees. Like I can't use that on stumps, right? So if I made a pick, I could break down rocks. And rocks will get me rocks. That's it. We can get food. We can get water. The aloe plant grows back. I can get more. I can get like gauze or some kind. If we have a bigger raft, we could move faster and safer over the water as opposed to what we've got now, which is not ideal. Because we can make a sail. and things like that. I think we must have been playing on an easier difficulty in the last game I played on this. We don't have a lantern or anything here either. We could make torches. Use up what little cloth we have. How do we make cloth? Maybe that's... Well, see, that's... It's fibrous stuff again. Oh, I know what it was. Farming. A farming plot. That should be the next thing we work on. And then we can make a hoe and do from there. So making a hoe... Where is that? A crude hoe requires a stone tool, a stick, and some lashing. This game is based on lashing. Oh, now I'm walking all over everything because I can't see. So that would be a nice thing to be able to see. We're going to sleep. It's been a long enough couple days. Almost finding our doom at the hands of a wild animal, and then... Okay, we can eat and drink. So, and our heart level is perfectly fine. So let's cook the large meat. Eat the last of the pig. That sounds good. Come over here. Have some water in the morning. There we go. Very good. I think all the yucca trees have actually come back. So we can actually... Oh, this one still hasn't, huh? No, this is one I think... Oh. Fibrous leaves. I didn't know it was there. I shall take those fibrous leaves. So water's the only thing we're really down on. That's not terrible. We have a little tiny shelter here. That's good. So what we really need is like a way to go back and forth between islands easily and quickly and safely. So that would be a raft. And we would need flotation, which would be in those buoy balls that we found on that ship. But the problem is, with those buoy balls, is we have the shark underneath. We do not have a very good way of defending ourselves against a shark. So we've got a ways to go. I don't think we're going to take any major risks yet. I think that would be unwise. So at the moment, we'll simply survive. Because that's the whole point, right? Enjoy the game and just make sure we don't die a whole lot. There goes the moon. It's pretty cool. It is a beautiful game. Really is. Okay, so we have a tanning rack, so we made leather and we upgraded our axe. That's good. So now we need to work on lots of lashing, essentially. And we need to make our own way of producing yucca plant. That's what we need. So that one's done. And we have a sprout, so we can do that. Because if we're going to need all this lashing for trying to get higher level up, then we are going to need to grow it ourselves. That's what's going to need to happen. I have decided this. This is what we need to do. We have 2. Can we make another one? We can. So now, let's find a place to plant our yucca plants and have a plot. So, building. Farming. We need a stick. We need 4 sticks. funnily enough, I know where those are. We should still have them in a pile over here. And then we're probably... No, we don't need a whole lot of water. Oh, but you still could use... do I have any palm fronds? No. Let's work on the task at hand first. So let's come over here. Where it's fairly protected. Which I think will be good. And then... Oh, I need to build the hoe first. Great. Thanks. So that's going to be where... Crude hoe. I need a stone tool. And more lashing! Game, I know you're laughing at me. I get it. I understand. I know you're in control. Oh, and it's going to start to rain again. Okie dokie. I had all that rock earlier. Did I just move it away? Did I throw it all away? Must have. Walking around like a maniac. Okay, so I need to do that quick. And then make a crude hoe. Cool. Problem is, now I don't have the ability to make... I need 4 sticks. Okay, no, I've got enough. Good. Okay, so... Wait, not good, because I don't have enough sticks. Arrgh! Maybe I can find them just lying around the island? Am I gonna be that lucky? Probably not. This looks like more fibrous roots. Harvesting. Level up. What does that mean? I can not get more? Come on. Sticks? Wooden stick. There we go. I need 4 of these. I suppose I could chop down the... Are you okay, little guy, now that you're in the water? Are you doing any better? No. You're still just gonna sit there. Okay. Any other sticks around? Any other... Oh, ficus tree. Well, I mean, I could chop down this ficus tree. Don't really want to do that. If I absolutely have to, I guess we have to, but... I mean, I need palm fronds anyway. That's a tall one, though. This one looks like it'll be better. How am I doing for food or water? Pick up the coconut. Keep you in... Actually, we're going to put you over here. I'm going to put the coconut in here. So that if I need it later on, I can find it. Same with you. Stay there. Don't move. Survive for 5 days. Oofta. Okay. So, where is the very fancy refined axe that I have? There we go. And it jumps! Oh, fuck you. God dang it. There's plenty of room in my inventory. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, that doesn't make any sense, game. You're just being weird now. Inventory is just a weird thing. It doesn't really play ball nice. But now we can do this, and this is what I wanted to do. So let's do like, yeah. Okay, hold E to clear a plot. Oh, but I don't need to clear a plot. I need to grab... Oops, that's not what I wanted to do at all. This isn't the one I want. This is the one I want. Oops. Oh, fuck it. Fine. I need to have water. Okay. Come here, you. Sweet. Unfortunately, how do I water it? Need to make a water skin or something? Shit. Didn't think this through. I mean, I did, but not far enough. What's the one I want? Considered consumable? I have 2 leather. I can actually make a water skin. Let's do that. We have just enough, and that would be worthwhile because I think I can reuse it. Fill it with water and then pour it over there. Because if that's the case, that would be an excellent use of this, because then we have a way of moving water. Water skin. Cool. Stored in the backpack. E to collect. Okay, we've collected water. Good. Okay. Now, of course, you could build like 15 stills or water collectors and then, you know, be in big business. I am not that good of a gamer yet. We don't have that much many materials. We could totally do that, though. There we go. Can I do it? I can't do it twice. Not yet. We are running out of storage space. Boxes are only going to work so long. So, I think the time has come to move you over here. Got some water. That's good. Okay, and Q. Drop you here. Pick you up. Drop you down. So you have a ration. And you have spoiled potato. Can use to grow potatoes in a farming lot. Oh, okay. So but spoiled, so it's not gonna work. Shit. Okay. Not sure what we can do with a spoiled potato. Not much. Let's make sure our farming plot is actually working. If we can grow potatoes, that'd be awesome. So we need another farming plot. Which means we need more fucking lashing. Which is why we're growing yucca. Okay. So, yeah. Now we just need to wait for more water to go into the collection, and then we'll be fine. Then we'll be fine. Then it's fine. It's fine. And you are more fibrous leaves. So I can make more lashing. Oh, but that's all I've got for inventory space. Shit. Do I have sticks? I do have sticks. I wonder if it'd be worthwhile to make a box. What does it take to do that, though? Building. No, it's crafting. It's this, I think. Wooden container. Oh, I need plank scrap to do that? I can't make a wooden box? Oh, that sucks. I can make a wooden table. I can make a wooden shelf. I can make a container shelf out of plank scrap. But I need 3 of them. Okay. So, what else can we do here? Making a loom wouldn't be a bad idea. I'd need 4. Well, let's hold off on that. Plank station would be... Oh, but the plank station requires using up the tools. I'd have to make another refined axe. Oh, yeah, I'm not ready for that yet. We'll get there. We can get there. Not today. And a few fuel still. What does the fuel still need? More lashing. Man, this game is built on lashing. So much of it. A fire torch. So if we can make cloth, maybe a loom wouldn't be a bad idea. Maybe. I need to grab my hammer if we're going to do that though. Maybe it's a good time to explore. Also, I don't want to lose my water skin, so... Can I put this in there? I can. Good. Thank goodness. So, I thought there was a way. There used to be. To make a... Oh, what was it? Let me look it up. There was a way to do it so you could make a pile of leaves. A pile of wood stranded deep. Item piles. That's right. You can form single item storage and stranded deep. They're considered one item rather than however many items are in the given pile. That's what I want. That's exactly what I want. In which that means they are much faster to load from the patch notes. To create a pile, you can create a pile by looking at or holding an item that you have 2 or more of. Use the quick craft menu, and then you get the pile. Okay. So, yeah. Alright. Make sure I'm still pretending that I'm able to see. Okay. Okay. Okie dokie. Yes. Excellent. Okay. So what I want to do is hold this. I have fibrous leaves. Let us create a pile of fibrous leaves underneath. Like that. Yeah. Good. And then tab to open. Put my fibrous leaves in it. Good. All right. We can do the same thing. Never going to remember where it is, though, because it doesn't look like anything. Quick craft. Item stick pile. Yeah. Tab to open. We put the sticks in there. Good. So now, as long as I remember it's underneath the house, then we should be okay. So let's go. Where did I just chopped down a palm tree, didn't I? And did I grab all the sticks from it? Because if I didn't, then there we go. I could add more sticks to the pile, per se. Fibrous leaves. Fibrous leaves. Give me more of them. Yes. More. Oh, they grew overnight. Oh, that's probably what the rain helped to have happen. Okay, good. I was wondering what that command was. I knew there was one. I just couldn't remember what it was. Now I know. So now we have a way of actually organizing shit and making sure it doesn't become just a complete clusterfuck when trying to load the game. And go back to our pile of fibrousness. I like it. But we're still looking for the sticks that I thought I put around somewhere. But maybe I didn't. Maybe they aren't around anywhere. There's a lot of leaves, though. Which is good. That's a good thing. But I thought I chopped down a palm tree and left the... I guess I took all the sticks. Okay. Also kind of concerned about the fact that I'm not seeing a whole lot of stone anymore. It's like I used all the rocks up. Which would be a problem. Didn't mean to do that. I want this. We're just gonna toss you here. Here. Okay, let's wander a bit. Let's see what we can see along the shoreline. Particularly among the rocks. And see if we have rocks, because that's the other thing I'd like to make sure we have a lot of is rocks. How are we doing on food? Oh, water is the problem. We are thirsty. The water I mean, the water looks beautiful in this game. And we don't have any more fiber in the bottom to power that. Great. Okay. Let's see. Not seeing any. So the game's basically saying, okay, we've given you enough rock, now you have to make your own. You're gonna have to break it down from bigger rocks. Which, I guess I understand. Just have one rock. 2 or more in my inventory. Okay, so here's another one. So I can make a rock pile. Make a rock band. Hard rock, so to speak. Yes. Very good. Now we'll put this underneath the house. Unless I see another one just kind of like broken off a bit. But I don't think I'm going to be that lucky. But we do have a lot of fiber happening, which is good. So, okay. So this is going to be a bigger pile, I suppose, huh? Yeah, it is. So we can put it right there. That's fine. Yeah, good. So we have rocks, we have fibrous leaves, we have all sorts of stuff. So that's, I mean, that's good. Oh, and I do have more fibrous leaves. That's right. Tabbed open. Yeah, okay. Love it. Because we just need a lot more than that. How are we doing on food? Food's actually fine. We're still really full up from last time. But I am going to need some fibrous leaves to actually power the water still. I don't really want to, but I don't want to chop down too many palm trees either because that will become a problem. Well, I guess we'll just take this guy and throw him in there. I wonder how that works. You know what I mean? How does that actually do that? I mean, it just collects water, but how does the... What defined the fact that, yeah, if we put leaves on it, that should indicate to the player that we should, you know, power it. Plank scrap, I don't really care about right now. Did I already go out to this boat? I feel like I did. I feel like I've gone out to these boats like 3 or 4 times. And that's Mad Piggy Island. We already learned that the hard way. I shouldn't be doing this when it's getting to be sundown because it'll be harder and harder for me to see if there is a shark. But this one I think we already raided, unless there's something else in it that I'm missing. This doesn't really look like it, does it? Yep, and then we're in deep water, and then there's sharks. Not that the sharks are too damaging yet, but I don't have a real good way of driving them off. Yet. So they've definitely amped up the difficulty in this game. So, water and food. We'll have to cook some more tomorrow. You have water. No, you don't have any water yet. Now you do. Haha. Thanks. That works. So... yeah, we'll have to eat tomorrow. Doing pretty good, though. We're doing pretty good, I have to admit. This isn't too terrible. Could eat before we go to bed, too, so we don't have to waste too much time. Wonder if that would make sense. Then we could wake up in the morning, maybe? Let's try it. Campfire's out of fuel? Shit. Well, that's unfortunate. So I guess we're gonna have to chop down one of those palm trees or something. Or start chopping down some of the ficus trees. I don't think they've regrown yet. We shall see. Alright, the other thing I want to watch for here is I think... We'll be wrapping up here in about 10 minutes or so. So... Don't you worry none. Or I mean, do worry. I don't know. Notifications. Thank you. Okay. And then, what the frack? I have so many freaking notifications. Don't need to tell me. Okay. There we are. Now I think we can sleep. We'll save for sure. Sleep. So we'll do tomorrow then, for this day, is we will work on food real quick. And then I think that'll be a good place to stop. I think. So we need to do some food stuff. So the first thing will be get rid of a palm tree first. Okay. Come here. There we go. Drinkable coconut. You drink the coconut. You drop the coconut. We can hit the coconut. And that's not terrible. So then that's not breakfast yet. That's just to tide us over. Okay, that's that. And then we need to light the fire. We need to do what? Hold, eat, or refill. Yay! So now we can cook. So then we do have palm fronds. So let's get rid of those. Because we can use those on the water still. We have one left, that's fine. So now what we're gonna do is it's either crabs or sardines. I think if we can get a couple of good crabs, that's what I want. Let's see if we can find any. Any good crabs? See anybody crabbing around? See any crab? Crab. Crab, crab. Crab, crab. Where is crab? Crab! Crab. Crab. Yes. We have one crab. 2 should make a nice meal. Not much of a broad diet. Our diet consists of eating coconuts and crabs. I'm surprised our colon isn't a complete disaster. Probably is. So, Mr. Crab. Crab? 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 Crabby? Crab? Crab? Would you fuck off? I'm gonna have bird flesh. I might. Can I? Can I? I could. Could eat anything. You really want to land here, don't you? Try it again. Come back here. Come on. I'll stab you with my fish fork. I had a hankering for crab meat, though. I've overfished these waters. These waters are barren now. It's not true. Not true. It's a video game. They'll come back, I think. Maybe. Oh, man. And it's going to start raining now? Don't do that. Fuck. Well, that's water then, so. Just not a 1. Ah, man. I got lucky when I got the crabs I did the one time. I could stab the sea slug finally. What are you going to do, sea slug? Nothing. You are part of the scenery. I am going to get bird. Need to create a bow and arrow. That will be a goal for next time. I need to get fish. Where are you? There. You're going to offset my crab craving. Okay, so we've got a fire. The fire is already done. Day survived 6. We need to drop you. And you we will skin. Crab meat. Oh, why you're so grossed out at this, dude. We've been eating them for over 6 days. Actually, no, you had it good. We had pig meat. Never mind. We had pork. Okay, so now, where's our kindling? Surprised I remember how that works. There we are. Why do I have 3? One of you is small crab meat. Why do you stack like that? And when you never stack normally? I don't understand. Okay, how are we doing on water? Am I thirsty? Oh, I am very thirsty. We can drink up. Good, good, good. Good, 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 good. Okay. And I don't even know if this will be enough. It should be. Should be enough. My eyes are tired. Wow. So going walking today outside, like, just because I'm just trying to get... don't want this winter to beat me, you know? And so walking outside in basically t-shirt with a pullover, and it's -7, -9, but then there was wind chill too, so I think the wind actually kind of dried my eyeballs out, so that was part of it, but I'm doing okay. Waiting for the dinging sound. Once it dings, it's done. Fun. Oh, come on, finger. Oh my goodness. Actually, I think I'll hear the dinging anywhere on the island, to be honest. I don't think I have to be there. How's my yucca plant doing, by the way? Is it growing further? It is! Well, good. It's getting there. So what does it take to build a plant again? A farming plot? Just wood. Just wood, that's it, huh? Which, I have that, actually. I mean, how many... oh, I have 3 sticks. But I just cut down... but no, I did pick up all the wood that I chopped down, didn't I? From that little... yeah, from the little pine tree, or the little pine tree. The little palm tree. Well, do we need to drink water? We could drink water. Sure. Things we'll worry about later. Are these done yet? Yeah, they are. I must have missed it. Cooked. Good. That's cooked? Yes, cooked. Yay. And this is just small fish meat. So then we'll save our game after this, and we should be set in many ways. And then, yeah, the first thing I think order of business for the next time we play will be a bow and arrow, just to have it, and then we'll figure that out. Because then we could probably start picking on some of those pelicans. Pelicans, seagulls, whatever they are, we can change up our diet. But the thing is, the problem's gonna be, what's a closer island? They're all really close. They look close. I think we'd have to, but we need to start working on a raft of some kind, of some description. Because this, yeah, this shark business is for the birds. So if I go down here. King Nick, oh, 007, what's up? Good to see you. I shouldn't do this. This is a horrible idea. Because there's probably sharks around here. Which means I probably should have a knife on me. There we go. Just in case. But there could be goodies. There are no goodies. Fuck. Come on. Nothing? Ugh. Alright, let's try this. This is for the gold. Let's see what we can get. Anything? Wood container. Oh, that's a good haul. Okay, let's go back. Ooh, there's a ray. Cool. Oh, am I swimming the wrong direction? Nope, I'm swimming. Ouch! Fuck. Did I just poison myself? Oh, no, it's just a big shark. You go away. This is after I already healed up, you bastard! Ugh. Sharks. Don't give me the spooky movie. Fist bump to you two. Give me the spooky music. The shark's gone, game. Shark's gone. Shark's not around. No sharky shark. I am so glad I can just shove an entire wooden box in my backpack. So let's see what these goodies have. So we'll take it back to our abode, where we should have. Here we go. And we can drop the other one here. And then I can grab my cooked fish meat. We'll put the fire out. We'll eat that. And we'll open these up. Oh, good. Another hammer is good. A flare gun. Crude fishing spear. I mean, I've already got one, but I don't have to build another one then. Plank scrap. Cool. A label maker. Duct tape. And lashing. You know, it could be a worse haul. Let me take the planks that we've got currently and put them over there. Well, drink this water. I'm actually just about to wrap up King Nick, so I'm going to go raid the Dayspring because I believe he's streaming tonight. And I think that's him. Cool. So we will be saying hi to him this evening because I haven't had a chance to see that guy and hang out in a while. So we're going to do so. There we go. So that's organized. Everything is taken care of. We will save our game. Here we go. And quit to the desktop. Yes. Cool. Ah! Longer stream. That was like a 3-hour stream tonight. But it was good. We actually did a lot of work with it, which is cool. I'm wiped out. But I appreciate all of the company I've had tonight. It's been fun. So, God, do I really look that bleary? Wow. Look like a mess. So what we're gonna do here, that sounds good, is we're gonna send you over to Dayspring Gaming. So I can't do it from here, can I? Damn it. I want it to be better, but it's not. Okay. Stay there. Mute me. So let me shout him out first. But yeah, thank you all for coming out tonight. This was fun. Thank you all for hanging out and listening. We'll be back not until after. I won't be back. I might stream Monday night, but we'll be coming back from out of town. We're leaving town tomorrow, so I've got to pack up tonight, so we're ready to go. So that's what we'll be doing here shortly. And then, yeah, we'll be back streaming next week. And then if we do stream on Monday night will be... Actually, I think it's going to be Valheim. If I can get it set up. I think maybe that stream will be just setting up Valheim. And then Tuesday will be Final Fantasy X again. So we'll be back that way and then back into the whole swing of things. But this weekend we'll be kind of hanging out for my wife's birthday. So that's what that situation will be all about. But thank you so much. And I will be seeing you then. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. If I don't see you, we'll see you all next time. Take care, everybody. And hang around when we go say hi to Dayspring. There it is.
What is this? A Lungbaka.